welded a plate. And hi. The plate out of your shoulder. You okay?
Watch out, here comes the pepper. Oh.
It's just the plate itself that's just sitting there in the middle.
Daily basis or?
Yeah, I cook all the time.
And you're only 20?
I stepped out for 5 seconds.
Yeah, so young, but
I can't see. My glasses are on.
she's cooking for her family, guys. Got a husband and a baby.
Right on it.
Turn this thing.
Oh.
Rice is-
How did you manage to do that?
Perfect rice.
You made rice without using a rice cooker?
I still know how to do it. Is it done? Wrong, sweetie. Now you're being called to.
But you didn't. It's good.
Are you not very much over because you did?
If I can't film you now, no one's going. So what is this?
HEB chicken tibia.
Guys, this is like a 10-minute meal for your family. This is a very quick meal. This is only 16 ounces, but if you get the family pack, you can feed more people. But this is probably going to feed a family of 4.
You mind if I take it? I've never seen you put. No, it's okay. I'll do it the way I want to do it anyway.
So what are you doing?
Chicken.
Guys, she's
Chicken
really
fajita.
tired because she's making this. It's like 10 o'clock at night, but her family's hungry, and she's making this meal. And again, she's only 24, 25, very young. And I'm just letting them know, she's okay. She's 25 years old, guys.
He's sweating.
She's got a full-time job.
You want to check his temperature?
She's a Christian. She's wonderful. And she has a little baby. So this is, and I love how she's got her, so she's got her cutting gloves. She is making, I'm not sure, guacamole. Oh, she's making homemade guac. Oh wow, she already has the onions here. So this is homemade guacamole.
This knife isn't as sharp as I thought.
So she's got her onion here. She's got tomato. She's such a good wife and a good mom.
Oh,
And just a good person. Heck, she's a good sister. Okay, that's her husband in the background, guys. Butthead.
Yep,
So,
I tried.
wow. Have you made guac before?
Uh-huh.
You need lemon, don't you?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So this is super easy to make, it looks like.
I just like chunky tomatoes. Nobody ever makes the guacamole the way I want it. Here's an old tomato.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if we put that in there. I think we did have it in there. The cookies. It's just weird how things
Yeah,
can.
you put it in there. That was the noise of a bug.
Oh, so you just put them in it. You don't mash it up first.
And get mixed together. Make it chunky.
Chunky guac. Is this healthy for you?
Yeah.
Very healthy.
I need more avocados.
Gosh, she's so fast. Again, she's only 25 years old. It's amazing. She works full time. She's a mom. She's a wife. She's a hard worker.
We got the bug.
She's feeding her family. So like I was saying, this is a great meal for a family of avocados. That's excellent for you. Avocados have omega-3s. Look at her go.
Real big lemon.
Why are you doing that?
Get the juices going.
Who taught you how to cook?
Ma.
your mom. Okay.
Actually. Want to know a secret how to get lemon juice out without
What?
having to squeeze it? You squeeze it,
Oh.
and then you don't get the... Half a lemon should be good enough.
Yeah, she looks incredible. I'm trying to get her to wear more sundresses.
Whoa. That is a lot. Now, do
Ooh.
you put any salt or pepper in it?
Yeah, I have to. Nobody can wait that long.
Now, what is that you're putting in?
Salt,
And what is this?
pepper.
So, what are the ingredients? It's just avocados, tomatoes, onions.
Well, I could
lemon.
put jalapenos in it, but nobody's gonna be able to get.
Oh,
jalapenos.
wait, you're doing this with your hands?
Mhm. I like chunky.
Oh my gosh.
I would have put jalapenos, but nobody's gonna eat the jalapenos.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Stuff with the dirt bike on it.
You
I
already
know,
asked,
that was
you
actually
asked me
for
that last time.
rollerblading. But, because I was afraid.
Guacamole.
So look at the guacamole. Look how fast that was made. You can add cilantro, you can add jalapenos. And she's so sweet.
It's fresh.
That's her husband.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, food's ready.
Oh, okay.
Your mom still thinks I am.
You done? There we go.
How many people would you say this?
I mean, I like leftovers. I eat too much.
How many people could this feed?
3.
Say that again, too.
Food's ready, come here.
Wow, she said food is ready.
Yes!
You hear the baby in the background.
There's chicken. There's chicken and rice, sweetheart.
So was this already seasoned? Was this
The
chicken?
chicken, yeah.
Okay.
Make it quicker. Don't have to do it. That's for him.
Alright, that's for the baby. Any guacamole for the baby?
Uh-oh, what? It's done? Okay.
Hold on. You don't even have to look, you can just know right now. She is one of the most special people to us. This girl right here. This lady, young lady. I'll take some too. This is mom. Mom is grabbing some stuff. We can't see her. So what does mom think about the guacamole? She doesn't want to be on camera right now. What is
Out of sight.
out of sight? Oh wow, so it's really good.
Oh, out of sight.
Ah,
Out of sight and out of mind.
Salty or just too much pepper. It's never right.
listen to what she's saying. She said no store has. Okay, say it again.
The fajita meat that we usually get from HEB
Uh-huh.
is uncooked, and we cook it ourselves.
Oh, so she's just doing this because it's quick.
Did you break your nail?
I did not. She's doing this because it's quick,
Oh,
but
you
normally
can see it, Ma.
normally she likes to cook the chicken herself, which makes sense so she can regulate the spices and the salt.
I just got lazy.
Bye to the next video.
Bye.